Have you ever experienced a sudden change in your cough, leaving you wondering if it is just a minor irritation or something more serious, especially when you live with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease? If your increased COPD cough is new, severe, and accompanied by other concerning symptoms, it absolutely can be an emergency requiring immediate medical attention. It is crucial to act quickly when your body signals distress to prevent further complications. The core reason an increased COPD cough can escalate into an emergency lies in the delicate balance of your respiratory system. With COPD, your airways are already narrowed and inflamed, making them more vulnerable to infections or severe flare-ups. A sudden, significant increase in coughing, especially if it produces more mucus, changes color, or comes with difficulty breathing, can indicate a worsening infection or an exacerbation that is overwhelming your lungs' ability to manage. To determine if your increased cough warrants an emergency, assess your other symptoms carefully. Look for signs like severe shortness of breath, chest pain, confusion or disorientation, bluish lips or fingernails, a high fever, or significant swelling in your ankles or legs. If you experience any of these accompanying symptoms, you should seek immediate medical care. If your cough is merely more frequent but you feel generally well and your breathing is stable, contact your doctor for advice, but it may not be an immediate emergency. Doctors often use a traffic light system to help COPD patients understand when to seek help. Green means stable, yellow means a change that needs doctor consultation soon, and red signifies an emergency. An increased cough combined with new or worsening breathing difficulty, new discolored mucus, or fever would immediately move you to the red zone, indicating a serious concern that needs prompt evaluation. Understanding these signs and knowing when to act means you can proactively manage your COPD, protecting your lungs and maintaining your quality of life. Rapidly addressing a severe cough can help prevent hospitalizations and improve your overall health outcomes, giving you greater peace of mind.